Hello everybody, this is Deepak Desai of 3rd year CSE. Today I am going to interact with a student of 4th year. Her name is Aisha and she got placed in DXE.
I'm fine. How are you?
Yeah, even I am fine. How are your quarantine holidays going on?
Till now, it's been very boring, and I've just started my training, so it's going on well.
Okay, you've almost left the college, especially at times like this. So, what is it that you're going to miss a lot in the Geetam?
It's really heartbreaking leaving our college at this point of time. We didn't even get time to say a proper goodbye to our friends, and it's really sad. And mostly, I'm going to miss my dearest teachers and nearest friends.
Okay, yeah. Now coming to your career, you've got placed in the DXE. So, how do you feel about this?
It's an amazing feeling when you get a job by yourself, and that's the moment when you make your parents feel proud and you prove yourself, and it's really amazing.
So, when actually did you start preparing for this company?
Actually, I didn't even start preparing from starting of final year. There was a point of time when there was a mock interview conducted in our college. So I was literally kicked out in technical round, and I realized okay, it's going to be hard, and still I didn't start preparing. And there was a time when all my friends got placed, and I was the only one left alone. I really started feeling so bad, and I regretted so badly that I didn't even prepare properly, and I think I had totally lost hope. And then finally I started preparing, and then it was all hard work. That's it.
Okay, can you brief us about how exactly the recruitment process was in DXE?
Yeah. First of all, it was an online test that consists of computer fundamentals, and then there was the orientation program, and then the results were announced. Then we had a technical round, and I cleared that, of course. And then finally we had a HR round. That was a long process.
Okay. Like, can you just suggest us, apart from the academics, what according to you is most important for the placements?
Confidence. Confidence and communication skills plays a major role. And if you can't express anything if you don't have proper communication skills. So I think that's the only thing.
Okay. People actually get,
And one more thing is, if you don't know anything, just be confident of what you're speaking. They'll just get impressed, and they'll at least get to know. Okay, if this person doesn't know anything, and if the person doesn't have any technical knowledge, at least we can learn later on with the. I mean, by seeing their confidence. So I think confidence is also very important.
so you say along with the content, even one must have confidence to get through the interviews.
Yeah.
Okay. People actually have this fear of sitting for the interviews, be it the face-to-face interview or technical rounds. So what according to you is like that one solution to overcome this problem?
See, basically, according to my experience, I was totally scared. Like, suppose if I was the next who's going to attend the interview, I would be literally shivering. I overcome it only by practicing in front of the mirror, and I used to ask my friends to do mock interviews, and then I started attempting interviews. So that's how I lost my fear. And to this particular company, DXC Technology, I was totally fearless, fully confident, and it was all okay.
So you say practicing more made you dispel that fear.
Exactly. Practice makes a man perfect.
Okay. Like People actually say like programming is really a hard nut to crack. So what do your take on that? Do you really think programming is that tough that only a few can do? or is it something that anybody can do provided we practice a bit?
Basically, people won't be much interested in programming because it's all about logic. And once you learn that logic, nobody can defeat you. So I think if somebody doesn't know the programming thing, you can actually learn. It's easy. Actually, there are actually many courses conducted in colleges. So I think it'll be okay if you attend those.
So you says just by your practice anybody can learn programming.
Yeah.
Okay. So can you just tell that one person who was so inspiring in your life?
It's my brother actually, because he had like below 50% in his PU, and then he really struggled a lot while getting a job. He literally struggled for 2 years, and then finally he got a job, and now he's in a good position. So the same thing happened to me. I mean, even I struggled a lot, and then finally I got it.
Okay. Finally, do you have any suggestions to say to the third years who are currently entering the phase of placements?
Yeah. See, we all enjoy with friends, go out, hang out, spend time, chit chat, and do anything, do everything. But at the end of the day, you'll be left alone if you don't get a job, and that's really disappointing. And you won't have anybody. Even your friends will be joining companies, and then you'll be left alone. So please start preparing from day one, and you yourself can help. Nobody is going to help in an interview. That's it.
Okay, thank you, Aisha, for sharing your experiences. It was really pleasure interviewing you.
Thank you.